So I have another query, and that is how come my Google ads become unoptimized days or weeks after I have optimized uh, them with higher ratings, with higher Google ratings. So you can see that the question is very simple, and that is because the guy wants to know that how come his Google Ads account become unoptimized. But before I start, I want to tell you that I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and being a certified advertising professional and run a Google partner company, and I provide different solutions related to digital marketing, plus different training services as well. So let me answer this interesting question. So okay, let me even open a page to get it answered here. Okay, so let me tell you that as a first strategy of marketing, number one thing is everything is evolving all the time. So you cannot be sure that one thing working today will definitely work tomorrow. You need to know this. Second thing is, be it even Google or be it even Facebook, it applies to all of the digital marketing strategy, and that is you have to consistently optimize the campaigns. Quality score fluctuates. For those who don't know, the Google ads, Bing ads, and Facebook ads works on the quality score algorithm, where higher your quality score is, the cheaper cost per click you have to pay. Even there are certain scenarios where when your quality score is 10 by 10 and you are paying 10 times lower price as compared to your competitors for the same ad, for the same keyword, for the same ad position, just because your quality score is optimized. So but in case if you want to know the secret hack of optimizing the quality score, it's all about relevancy, relevant landing page with relevant keyword, with the relevant ad can give you the best combination. I have detailed lectures on quality score as well, and the recipe to optimize the quality score, as I told about relevancy, the second is CTR. CTR means click through rate. Higher the click through rate, lower will be the cost, because Google is running that spot on sale, and just focus on optimizing your quality score, and it all fluctuates. Why it fluctuates? Because there are competitors who are trying to grab your ad spot. Okay, how quality score works, I told you, like ad rank, there are so many things, and I have created a separate video, and you can check out on my YouTube channel regarding this. So now let me tell you that there are competitors who are trying to catch your ad spot, and because of this you have to consistently optimize your quality landing page, your campaigns, to get the most or to get the maximum out of your campaign. So my advice for anyone who is trying to optimize their campaign is to focus on your competitor strategies, keep on optimizing, and keep on searching for new things, even keep on doing A/B testing. It's not like you have done optimization today and you don't need further. You may always need to do A/B testing with your ad, because even if you get a uh, working ad, you may have to change after a certain time. Why? Because people will start get bored of it, which is why you have to change your ad later on. So which is why it's all about improvement. And then there can be certain platform updates. There may be a new Google policy, or there may be a new Facebook policy which has impacted your campaign. That can also be another reason, policy changes. So I like to highlight on these things that the policy changes can also be a cause of concern regarding sales. So I like to suggest to focus on that as well, and maybe some tracking issues on your website, conversion tracking issues, or unknowing issues. Even some websites have malware and people don't know about it. So there can be certain thing which is causing the issue, and you may have to manually look or ask someone professional like me or my team who can help you out as well in this this thing as well. So, and then that you never know what's happening, and there is also data. You may also need data. You can, for some clients I have seen that Tuesday works very well, and for some Tuesday is a worst day. So you have to get data as well before deciding. So get data as well before deciding, because data is the main thing to decide. For some campaigns, the start days of the month are very good because people get salaries in the start days, and for some I have seen that the last days are very important. Although people are tight on budget on the last days, but I don't know why, but those campaigns works well on the last days. So you never know, some campaigns works better on weekdays, some works so better on weekends, so it can fluctuate all the time. So yeah, just focus on these things and always try to optimize. So I hope it helps, and I hope I have answered your question. And make sure to subscribe to this channel in case if you're watching it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.